Good morning students. Today video is going to see unit 7 chemical kinetics. The chemical kinetics is the study of the rate and the mechanism of chemical reactions producing under given conditions of temperature, pressure, concentration, etc. The study of chemical kinetics not only help to determine the rate of a chemical reactions but also useful in the optimizing the process conditions of industrial manufacturing process, organic and inorganic synthesis, etc. The one topic discuss rate of chemical reactions. A rate is a change in a particular variable per unit time. You have already learned in physics that change in the displacement of a particle per unit time gives its velocity. Similarly, in a chemical reactions, the change in the concentrations of the species involved in a chemical reactions per unit time gives the rate of a reactions. Let us consider a simple general reactions A to B, A for reactant and B for product. So, the concentrations of the reactant can be measured at different time intervals. Let's the concentrations of A at two different times T2 and T1. So, A1 and A2 respectively. The rate of the reactions can be expressed at rate is equal to reversible change in the concentrations of the reactant by change in the temperature. The reversible change in the concentration of the reactant negative A2 minus A1 2 minus T2 minus T1. So change in the concentrations of the reactant, change in time. So minus del H by del T. Change in concentrations of A and B for the reactions A to B. So see this graph. Y-axis concentrations and x-axis time minutes. Okay. The rate of the reactions and change of the time. Okay. The concentrations up to y-axis, the x-axis of the time, change of the time. Okay. The second one discuss about unit of rate of reactant. Unit of rate is equal to unit of concentration by unit of time. Very important. Unit of rate is equal to unit of concentration by unit of time. Okay, usually concentration is expressed in number of moles per liter and time is expressed in seconds, and therefore the unit of the rate of a reactions is mole liter per second. Okay, depending upon the nature of the reactions, minutes, hour, year, etc. can also be used stoichiometry and rate of your reactions. The A to B, the first one discuss in reactions A to B, the stoichiometry of both reactant and product are same. So hence the rate of displays of reactant A and rate of the appearance of product B are same. Okay. In this case, for every mole of A that disappears, 2 moles of B appear. That is, the rate of formations of B is twice as fast as the rate of displacement of A. Therefore, the rate of the reactions can be expressed as below. For every moles of A and displays 2 moles of B appear. That is, the rate of formations of B is twice as fast as the rate of disappearance of A. Therefore, the rate of the reactions can be expressed as below. The next rate is equal to D product by dt. So is equal to 2 minus dA by dt. In other words, rate is equal to reversible differentiate A by dt. So A reactant, dt change of the time. So of dB by dt. B means product. So for a general reactions, the rate of the reactions is equal to the rate of consumptions of a reactant divided by its coefficient in the balanced equations. That is the equations of XA plus YB reactions LC plus MD. So the rate of the reactions, apply the equations minus 1 by X d of A by dt is equal to minus 1 by Y d of B by dt minus 1 by L by L dC by dt 1 by M d of d by dt. Okay. Average and intense states rate. Let us understand the average state and instantness rate by considering the isomerizations of cyclopropane. So the first one, cyclopropane, the 3 carbons also present. So prop, the single bond formation. So alkane, ane. So the closed pack system. So cyclopropane, aliphatic closed pack system. So cyclopropane. So 780 Kelvin react to propene, product propene, the double bond formation, alkene, so ene, 1 2 3 3 carbons is present, so propene. So the kinetic of the above reactions is followed by measuring the concentrations of cyclopropane at regular intervals, and the observations are this table. Okay, the first one, time minutes, cyclopropane mole per liter. So 0 minutes 2 mole per liter, and 5 minutes 1.67 mole per liter, and 10 minutes of 1.40 mole per liter, and 15 minutes 1.17 mole per liter, and 20 minutes mole per 0.98 mole per liter, and 25 minutes 0.82 mole per liter, and last one 30 minutes of 0.69 mole per liter. The decreasing order of the cyclopropane mole per liter. The time of the increasing the cyclopropanes of the regular intervals and observations of the decreases. Okay. The second one, discuss the concentrations of the cyclopropane at various times during its isomerization and 780 Kelvin. Okay. Rate of the reactions, one, they apply the equations. Rate of the reactions minus del cyclopropane by del T. Minus change of the cyclopropane by change of the time. So the rate of the entire 30 minutes minus 0.69 value substitutions minus 2 minutes. Okay, mole per liter divided by 30 minutes. 30 minus 0, so 30 minutes. 0.69 minus 2, 1.31 divided by 30, so 4.36 into 10 to the power of minus 2 mole per liter per minutes. Okay, it means that during the first 30 minutes of the reactions, the concentrations of the reactant decreases as an average of 4.36 and into 10 to the power of minus 2 mole per liter each minutes. Okay, repeat that during the first 30 minutes of the reactions, the concentrations of the reactant decreases as an average of 4.36 into 10 to the power of minus 2 mole per liter each minutes. Okay, let us calculate the average rate for an initial and later stage over a short period. Okay, for example, date first one, initial stage, short period, and later stage. Okay, the first one, initial stage, short period, minus 2.02 1.4, 10 minutes to 0 minutes. Okay, so 0.6 by 10, so 6 into 10 to the power of minus 2 mole per liter per minutes. So initial stage of the rate of the reaction 6 into 10 to the power of minus 2 mole per liter per minutes. Okay, the second, short period, later stage, the 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, minus 0.69 minus 0.98 by 30 to 20 minutes, so 0.29 by 10 minutes. So minus plus 0.98, so plus 0.98 minus 0.69, so 0.29, then 30 minus 20 10. So 2.9 into 10 to the power of minus 2, and minus changing cyclopropane unit mole per liter, and changing temperature, changing time, minutes. So 2.9 into 10 to the power of minus 2 mole per liter per minutes. Okay, thank you.